Good afternoon mga idol. We're back. So, meron na namang update si Lord 9 and meron siyang bagong dungeon na nilabas. Ito yung Snowflake Garden. And currently we are at the 5th floor of this dungeon. Meron pa siyang 6th floor pero hindi ko kaya dun. Mas kaya ko lang dito sa 5th floor. Okay. So, let's talk about the rewards. First, yung meron silang nilabas na login event. Yan. And also this one. Madali lang naman to. Yung dito ka lang malilimit talaga kasi you need days. Kasi 3 donations per day ka lang eh. So, yeah. Ito, alam nyo naman to eh. So, dito sa dungeon, merong drop. And yung drops, pwede nyong i-exchange dito. So, now, marami yung items dito. But for me, I would definitely prioritize eto muna. Unahin ko muna si Maestro Scroll. And then, sunod si Expert Scroll. And then, sunod si Advanced Scroll. Scrolls muna. Kasi, nag-iipon tayo para meron na tayong level 600 na class. Okay? Although, we're not yet decided kung anong class yung pipiliin natin for 600. But it's good to note that we already have the necessary materials for that. And as you can see, or as you have noted or noticed, pinapalevel ko na rin yung leech, yung deliberate attack, at saka yung honed weaponry ko. Kasi wala pa tayong focus sa kung ano talaga yung papa level 600. There could be changes, but for me, Hunter at level 500 is okay na. Okay na ako dito. I would definitely go Hunter 600 kung naglagay sila dito ng more on damage or attack speed or critical sa 600 and 700. Unfortunately, hindi sila naglagay. Wala silang nilagay na extra damage. Dito pala merong additional na 20 stacks. So, I think it's going to be 70. But, yeah, again, not worth it kung sa PvE mo lang talaga magagamit si Hunter. Okay? But that's just my opinion. So, yun yung first na i-prioritize dito. I don't know with you, pero hindi ako, so, I'm not so much into these mounts kasi drop din naman to eh. You have the opportunity to loot these mount parts. Pwede mo silang ma-loot. And then this one, kung gipit, meron kasi akong mga alt and my alt can easily make this one. So hindi na rin, skip ko na to. And then bombahin nyo na to. Dito kayo bumomba. Diba? After nyo dito, di ko alam kung para saan to. Sa mount. Yeah, nakra-craft din naman to eh. Sayang yung 100. Isusugal ko na lang dito. For me. Yeah. Alright. That's it for this video. Sana marami kayong ma-farm dito. Good evening sa ating lahat. Advance Merry Christmas. Keep grinding.